fun fact though, I am actually scared of anything that crawls.
They're dead, baby. They're dead.
Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how to make Mopane worms, also known as Masonja, Madora, or Macimbi. So we're going to start with the prep. The night before, I'm going to boil water and soak my Mopane worms in hot water, but you can do this 30 minutes before cooking. So now we're going to quickly wash our Mopane worms. We'll start by stretching them one by one on running water so that the sand in between can come off. You know how they have layers, so the sand can hide within the layers. So this is me just going to quickly wash them so that we make sure they are very clean. So it's not that I have an OCD, but I really like my Mopane worms very, very clean. So I overwash them. I just don't soak them overnight. I wash them one by one, making sure I stretch them until they're a bit longer, knowing that all the dust has gone off. So we're going to quickly boil the Mopane worms, not for long, but for it to just start boiling. And then we're going to go back and rewash them. I usually repeat this process 3 times until I'm very sure and certain that they are now very soft, and also there is no more sand in between the layers of the Mopane worms. That way you enjoy eating knowing you're not going to chew or bite on any stone. So we're going to quickly fry our Mopane worms. Mopane worms are very easy to cook because you don't have to put spices or a lot of things. You just have to add your salt onto your worms. After adding your salt onto your worms, you fry your worms. Make sure they are not crunchy or too dry while frying. You just fry them a bit until you just get a satisfactory color. We're just going to quickly prep our tomato. I'm going to just put 1 tomato, and then I will fry the tomato until it's well cooked and it's well done. That's it for the recipe. After your tomato is well done, you can now save your food, because that's all you have to do. You don't have to put a lot of things. Some people like them with onions, but I just like them with the tomato because that works very well for me. Mopane worms are one of the most nutritious worms you'll eat. So voila, we're eating them with pap, but you can also eat them on their own as a snake. So this is what my friend did.
It's time. This is the moment that I'm gonna try the worms. So how do I do this though?
Okay, so for the worms, they're usually for drunkards. After drinking alcohol, you can try the worms. So she's eating the worms alone before we get into the other dishes, girl.
So do I eat it alone?
Babe, eat alone.
You know, just a fun fact though, I am actually scared of anything that crawls.
They're dead, baby. They're dead.
I'm scared of snake, of worms, of anything, but I feel like I'm gonna like it. I told her that anything that is not sweet. It looks weird though. I feel like they're still alive. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look at her face! Look at her face!
No, surprisingly, it's like intestines. But it's crunchy. It's like the outer skin is like just a little bit hard, but the inside is juicy. Wow! I like it. So do you start eating almonds?
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you guys so much. If you have any requests on any videos or any meals that you'd like me to prepare and share with you, please do let me know. Put in the comment section.